This little Christmas decoration is really easy to make. It has 3 little pockets in it, so I call it a 3-pocket Christmas wall hanging, and it is what it says. We make the pockets from some delightful little pictures that you can obviously buy really easily at this time of year. They come as 6 or 9 patches, or you could use slightly bigger picture panels. You could of course do them in patchwork. I've just taken strips of fabric like this and made some really long, easy ties. This has been hanging up in the shop for a number of years, so it's well worn. You could add some really pretty ribbons to the top, or you could make yourself some cafe loops from the leftovers. We've shown you how to do that on the website.